So I've been using the Kris Plus app for a while now. I use it for my occasional Gongcha drinks, date night at restaurants, and even use it to book taxi rides. So in this video, I will share everything you need to know about the Kris Plus app. Why is it? How it works? What card you can use with the Kris Plus app? And more importantly, how you can maximize your rewards with the app. Alright, let's jump right in. Okay, for those who do not know, Kris Plus is a lifestyle rewards app launched by Singapore Airlines. And based on this fun ad, you can already tell that the rewards will be good. Kris Plus lets you earn additional rewards on your next family meal, new household appliances, taxi rides, wellness, or even something as simple as making dining reservations or drinking a pao cha. Basically, they are everyday uses for you to earn rewards. But enough of all the angkat bolas. Let's look at how the app works. So all you need to do is look for the Kris Plus QR code that's available at dining and retail merchants island-wide. Then open the app, tap on the pay button, scan the QR code, tweet, enter the amount, then pay. So simple. Not only that, they make it super duper easy to pay, as Kris Plus automatically lets you select cards stored in your Apple Pay or Google Pay as payment options. So you don't have to manually go and add credit cards one by one into the app. But here's where the fun part comes in. First, for every dollar that you spend, you will earn up to 9 miles per dollar. The number of miles you earn depends on the merchant. But the last I checked, many of their merchants offer 9 miles per dollar. Each mile you earn is worth 0.667 cents. So for those cashback card nerds, this will equate up to 6% cashback. But of course, redeeming your miles for flights will give you the best value. I will talk about this later, yeah? You will then have two ways to use the miles that you earn. One, you can transfer the miles to your Kris Flyer account, which can then be used to redeem your next SIA or Scoot plane tickets to fly to Japan or Korea, or wherever that impress your partner the most. Or two, you can keep the points in the Kris Plus app, which can then be used to offset your next purchase. But just take note, whether you want to transfer the points to your Kris Flyer account or not, you will have to decide within 7 days, after which you won't be able to transfer the points out anymore, and the only way is to spend it within the app. Next, besides earning miles through Kris Plus, you will also earn your usual credit card rewards. For example, if you spend with the HSBC Revolution card through Kris Plus, you earn 4 miles per dollar on top of whatever miles that you earn from the app. So essentially, you are earning up to 13 miles per dollar whenever you pay with the Kris Plus app and pair it with the right credit card. Third, there's also additional merchant deals. For example, a 10% discount from Gongcha, 10% off from Paris Baguette, 20% off afternoon tea at Prego, 15% off weekday set lunch at Tanoke. Or if it's your birthday this month, congratulations, because there's a whole bunch of birthday deals like 1-for-1, dollar discounts, and more just waiting for you. This app also lets you buy vouchers at a huge discount. For example, Comes Roast BBQ Char Siu Pork voucher at 40% discount, or the whole kitchen cash voucher at 40% discount. Basically, discounts here, discounts there, discounts everywhere. And remember, you're getting all these discounts on top of the up to 9 miles per dollar spend benefit on Kris Plus. In addition, you can stack your credit card rewards. So it's super worth it. So then, the next question is, what are some of the cards you can use with Kris Plus? To answer that, it's important to know that when you pay through Kris Plus, your payments will then be considered as online payment, and the merchant category code or MCC will remain the same. So for example, if you use a normal card to pay at Challenger, it's a contactless payment, right? But if you pay through Kris Plus, it becomes an online payment. But the MCC will remain the same for both cases. So with that in mind, most cards that qualify for online spends will be good for Kris Plus, like the DBS Women's World Card, HSBC Revolution, UOB Preferred Platinum Visa, all of which gives 4 miles per dollar. Or if you are paying for large purchases like furniture and electronics, you can also use the OCBC Titanium Rewards Card, which also gives 4 miles per dollar up to $335 spent per year. But take note, even though the Citi Rewards card gives 4 miles per dollar for online spend, the card excludes mobile wallet and travel-related transactions. So don't use the Citi Rewards card with Kris Plus, yeah? Of course, the most straightforward method is to use the KrisFlyer UOB co-brand card. While you earn 3 miles per dollar, the benefit is that there's no cap to the miles that you can earn on this card. As for cashback cards, you can use cards like the UOB One card, which gives 3.33% cashback, UOB Evo card, which gives 8% cashback for online spends, Citi Cashback card, 6% cashback on dining, Maybank Family and Friends card, which gives 8% cashback on 5 selected categories. Those are some of the cards that you can use with Kris Plus. So how easy is it to earn miles with Kris Plus? Let's say every month you spend $350 a month at Kris Plus merchants like Power Cha from Gongcha, Aburi and Dinner, some bread from Paris Baguette, and so on. You would be earning up to 9 miles per dollar from Kris Plus and another 4 miles per dollar from your credit card. In just 1 year, you will have earned enough miles to redeem a free SQ flight to Japan or Korea. And the best part, this is on top of the spendings that you will usually do anyway. Or let's say you volunteer to pay for a company dinner and you spend $1,300 at Sichuan Dehua. With that, you earn 9 miles per dollar from Kris Plus and an additional 4 miles per dollar from your credit card. On this single dinner, you would have earned 17,000 miles, which is enough to redeem a Bali ticket on SQ. Or maybe you are getting a new home. In that case, you will also be spending on big ticket items like furniture or electronics, and boom, you just earn another free ticket. So that's how easy it is to earn miles with Kris Plus. Next, let's talk about some extra perks that Kris Plus is offering. What? You mean there's more perks? Yes, there's more. First, you can use the Kris Plus app to reserve a table to, yes, earn more points. I see you are getting the pattern here. For every completed reservation that you make through the app, you will earn 100 miles. So the next time you want to eat out, do check the app first to see if your restaurant is on the list or not. And also, I know what you are thinking. In that case, I can reserve all the tables at every restaurant and earn unlimited miles lor? Okay, it doesn't work that way, yeah. You will only earn points when you show up for your reservation, yeah. But still, earning 100 miles when you reserve a table is pretty cool, yeah. And it's even better if it's a restaurant that lets you pay via Kris Plus. Besides that, the app also lets you book taxi rides, meaning you can even earn miles when you book taxi rides or choose to use miles to offset the cost of your ride. So again, do stay tuned for any new promotions, yeah? Then there's a daily check-in challenge where if you log in 3 times a week, you will earn 20 cents. That might not sound like a lot, but 20 cents a week means $10 a year, yeah? That's like 2 chai fan with fish already, yeah? Besides that, every month there's a new challenge that lets you, yes, earn even more miles. For example, right now there's the MasterCard challenge where they are giving a $15 rebate when you spend $50 using MasterCard on Kris Plus. The Partners of the Month challenge, where if you are the first 100 users to spend at least $100 with 3 partners, you will earn another $30. Previously, there was also the April MasterCard promotion, where it rewards you with $15 when you spend $20 3 times. So you will need to log in every once in a while to check out the promotions. Or you can also join my Telegram group to stay up to date on these deals. Next perk, you can transfer miles points in from other rewards programs like KrisFlyer points, Star points, Citi Thank You points, DBS rewards, and UOB rewards. The good thing is that the transfer is instant and there's no fees for transferring in. But is it worth it? Short answer, no. By transferring the points in, you will lose 15% of the value. So in most cases, it's best to directly transfer the points to the flight partner that you want. But the long answer, it depends. That's because there's usually a minimum conversion block, like 25,000 Citi Thank You points to 10,000 air miles, or 5,000 DBS points to 10,000 air miles. So once in a while, you will find yourself with some points here and there that might be expiring soon. In that case, rather than letting it expire, you might as well transfer the points into the app instead. Then from there, you can either choose to transfer the points to your Kris Flyer account within 7 days or use the points to offset your next purchase. And the icing on the cake, if you sign up with my code now, you will earn 750 Kris Pay miles or $5. So that's awesome. Anyway, that's all for this video. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.